Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. The greatest quotes of all times. Seek opportunity, not security. A boat in a harbor is safe, but in time its bottom will rot out. Lord, make me an instrument of thy peace. Where there is hatred, let me sow love. Let us sacrifice our today so that our children can have a better tomorrow. The most difficult thing is the decision to act. The rest is merely tenacity. The fears are paper tigers. You can do anything you decide to do. You can act to change and control your life. And the procedure, the process is its own reward. Don't mind anything that anyone tells you about anyone else. Judge everyone and everything for yourself. Death is not the greatest loss in life. The greatest loss is what dies inside us while we live. Always remember that you are absolutely unique, just like everyone else. Don't judge each day by the harvest you reap, but the seeds that you plant. A happy person is not a person in a certain set of circumstances, but rather a person with a certain set of attitudes. Good judgment comes from experience, and lot of that comes from bad judgment.